Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to charge your headphones JBL Quantum 650 using your phone. It's quite easy actually, because you need to just use the cable that comes with your headphones and is in a box. This is the USB Type-C cable. And you have to have a phone that supports the reverse charging. It doesn't really have to be the USB Type-C cable, the USB Type-C phone. It can be an iPhone with Lightning, but you need to have a cable that fits both into your phone and headphones. So you can actually use every single device, every single phone that does have the charging port and supports the reverse charging, but you need to have a cable. Here, as you can see, I've got the POCO X8 Pro Max, which has the USB Type-C cable. So I have plugged the first part of it, and the second part to the charging port. And that's it. That's how it works. Now, reverse charging. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.